Welcome to the Rundown Reborn channel. Why we do what we do is a good question, and maybe it's philosophical to some degree. But if you boil it down to its essence, I think it is based on love. Love for your family, love for yourself, love for the process, and love for the satisfaction and the accomplishment. I don't think it's seated in blind ambition. Sure, ambition is part of it. Without ambition, there's no inspiration or motivation. Ambition is necessary, but it's not the driving force. Renovation of a house requires ambition. It's a challenging and somewhat daunting effort to take on. It's riddled with unforeseen problems and challenges, but that's what drives us forward through the journey. Without difficulty and struggle, the journey can become monotonous, tedious, boring. But embarking on the journey is not the root of the issue. Why we do what we do is because we want to leave something behind. We all have a limited time on this earth, and we have no idea when that time will end. So what will be our legacy? Our children? Our memories? The things we have created? For me, that is what the life we are given is meant to be for. To leave a trail behind us of accomplishment, inspiration, and joy. To give our life a purpose, to give our children an example, to give our love to others, and to give our own souls meaning. Building and creating is the train that I ride. And the challenges that present themselves during those journeys I embark on allows me to express myself and leave something positive behind. A project like a house renovation is one of those types of journeys. Completion of the process can improve our lives in many ways. It can improve our standard of living. It can feed our own personal ambitions. It can satisfy our primal necessity of shelter to a degree that is comforting and stable. It can present a sense of home for a family to flourish. It can provide a foundation for our futures to continue to build upon. It can be a positive influence on our children, our neighbors, and our community around us. But every process has its own set of hurdles to overcome. It will require time. It will require patience and dedication. It will require some ingenuity and self-education. It will require a vision of potential and a spark of possibility. It will require a person to make choices, sometimes difficult ones.
In architecture, when I work with less experienced clients, I always explain to them that there's the triangle of the process. You can have it done inexpensively, you can have it done quickly, and you can have it done well. But you only get to pick two. So you have to take that into account. It's the honest truth. You just can't have all three of them. So you have to ask yourself, what's most important to you? Do you want the quality? Do you want it cheap? Or do you want it fast? Difficult thing to do. It's a calming thing to do. I don't mind this too much. No dust. some trim around the back perimeter of that platform. Go ahead and put this on now. It will get primed and caulked prior to the painting. So we do need to get this on up around the top of the platform. I'll take that. Nice and snug. Inside corner is right here. Outside corner will be right there. So I need to cut that right along that line. We're all based in.